Come test drive the 2016 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda
This is a
dealer
one-owner
today
vehicle
to see
with
why
a
the
Carfax
Honda
Vehicle
certified
History
program
Report.
is worth
Be sure
looking
to find
into.
a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee.